I'm Oliver. I'm studying a PhD in solar physics at Trevelyan College at Durham University. Steinway are supplying a whole set of new pianos for the entire university, and one of those new pianos is in my college, and we're getting a brand new Steinway AS that I've been asked to come to Hamburg and select today. I'm really looking forward to the fact that even though I'm not studying music, I'll still have access to a great brand new Steinway piano in my college that anyone can access regardless of what their degree is. We had the privilege of having a tour of the Steinway factory here in Hamburg, and we saw how the pianos are made from the raw wood in the shed out the back to the completed instruments that we get to play today. We had quite a lot of pianos to choose from. I was careful to choose a piano that didn't just suit me, but I thought would benefit a wide range of the students that are allowed to play it. I deliberately chose one with not a particularly large tonal range, as I wanted to make sure that people who are maybe newer to playing the piano don't feel like their mistakes are being amplified. And I wanted one that felt kind of homely in a nice, contained setting, because the piano that I'm selecting will usually be used for practice, and even when it's not, it's in quite a small space.
You always want to try and give the students the best equipment that you can possibly get. Durham University, music making there isn't just limited to the music department, but actually it is massive throughout the whole university. It is now going to be an absolutely university-wide, so it's not just the music department, but most of the colleges will get new instruments as well, which I think will be fantastic for the whole of the university.
One was much easier to just kind of improvise. I think this one actually, yes.
So in that case, if you'd like to put the label onto your new Steinway.
I'm one of many students here today choosing the 11 Steinway grands that we're getting for the university. Along with many other pianos, we have 57 new Steinway delivered pianos in total, and I'm very much looking forward to their delivery when we're going to have a big day and celebrating all of the pianos arriving. It's going to be fun.